Hello guys, today I will keep building my shelter and you can watch it in previous video too. Let's check this out. Okay, I can see it from here and I can't believe it happened. They destroyed our shelter. Oh my god, look at that. That's bad. So for that reason I have to do this shelter more bigger. Let's start it. Okay guys, first I have to clean that place. Then there is some water you can see. I think yesterday was rainy, so I have to remove this water from there. Then I'm gonna start rebuild this shelter. Let's go. Wow. Oh my god. Cool. Let's go. Alright guys, I forgot this place open, so I will fix it with some tape. So let's do that. Alright guys, now I have a lamp works with solar energy. And now before to lose the sun and light, it's better to put it in somewhere. So let's do that. And now I can open the door for us. Let's cut. Alright guys, now I can put my gear inside. Let's do. I'm digging hole because there is no rocks, so it's better. Okay, I'm hungry a little bit, so I want to cook something right now. This calls Turkish sucuk. It's very tasty meat, so let's cook it. I think better that way. Okay, I think it's already done. Like a Turkish kebab. Bu ne? Whoa, 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 whoa. Well, 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 well. Now I'm trying to melt some old candles for use our homemade stove for a tent. You can you can watch this in my previous videos too. There is a video how to make a stove for the tent, something like that. I don't remember right now. Okay, like this, we will melt. I mean, I'm trying to melt. I don't know how to melt it. So if I can, I will make a candles in here, and I will use our stove. Yeah, I did it. It's melting. It start to melt. That's cool. That's cool. Okay, now I will try. Now it's tea time. Okay, guys, let's make the lights on. Okay, let's go. Ding, ding. Oh, now I can take some rest. Enjoying my tea. My fire is so warm. I can feel it's so warm. And I learned from the outdoor boys, you have to, when you sit on with the fire, you have to stay like that. So you can warm up with your full body. That's a nice information I got. Learning is cool, really. Learning is cool. Today also I learned something more. I can melt a candle and I can make my own candle too. Every day learning new things. That's cool, really. Okay, let's enjoy my tea. That's nice. It's comfortable, I think. Actually, it's comfortable, yeah. I feels like home. But it's very cold. I have to warm this place up. Okay. Now I can sleep. I just so tired right now. Well, good night.